Like, damn, this is mine. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, yes, I moved states. I'm currently in my new apartment and I want to give you guys an unfurnished tour. So I'm gonna do that really quickly before I go to work. I didn't do like a packing up and everything because everything was so hectic. Like, when I tell you what happened fast, it happened fast. Like, I moved out here, I literally only have clothes. Some of my furniture is arriving. I have them stored up because I really wanted to give you guys an unfurnished tour at first, before I put everything up and start getting like settled and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give you guys an unfurnished tour. I'm gonna keep this short. Look at my puppy. So let's get right into it. Okay, so when you first come in and enter the door, this is what it looks like. To my left, you see these big double doors. This is just my laundry. As you can see, I have some clothes in here already. I started, but washer and dryer, and like a shelf for the laundry detergent and stuff like that. This is just the maintenance stuff, so I don't worry about that. And then when you come to your right, this is my kitchen. This is probably my favorite part of the house. I love the dark wood as it goes throughout the apartment. I love the dark wood. I love that I have double fridge. Comes with ice and water in it with the freezer, as most fridges do. Stove, microwave, double sinks, lots of pantry space, which I love. Dishwasher, my island. This was the staple that I really wanted. I wanted an island so I could have my bar stools and stuff like that. Pantry. I have some stuff in here already. I don't drink beer, I promise. It was from a party. And then I also have a closet in here, which has a lot of space. So if my guests come, they could put their jackets and stuff in here. I already have some furniture delivered, but I kept it in here just so I could do the unfurnished tour for you guys. Yeah. And then this is my badass son, Prince. But this is my living room area. My favorite part about the living room is the windows and everything. Those little black things that come down, I can scroll. They're like blinds, kind of, but they don't like shade everything away. And I like how it's like the big two, and then I like how it's set up or whatever. This is where my puppy stuff is set up. He's a boy. I don't know why he has a pink blanket. He takes all my stuff. But anyway, so yeah. So this is the living room. Very big area. And then next we have my room. I already have some stuff in here. Oh, I turned the fan on. I have a ceiling fan, ceiling light, my air mattress. I do have my bed, which arrived. I just haven't set it up as yet. As you can see, the room is an okay size. That's a queen size mattress, well, queen size air mattress. So I still have some walking space and storage space and stuff like that. I'll probably actually put my bed on this wall and then have my TV and dresser on this wall. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. As you can see, that's the mattress box, but clothes, literally suitcases, garbage bags, because I took a couple trips out here before and I just kept my stuff out here. So I love how the windows are so big. Lots of light could come in from this. So yeah. So next we have the bathroom. This is the walk-in. We have, look at this. So right here we have storage. I already, like I said, bought some stuff. This is like cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So I will be doing cleaning shortly. Lots of storage underneath the sink. The mirror is really big. I love that. I love how I have a medicine cabinet and also another storage. Like I said, it's lots of storage like throughout the apartment. And then next we have the shower. Real cute. I love a garden tub. I didn't want just a stand-up shower because I need like a tub. Like I need a tub in case I want to do bubble baths or something. You know, so I'm glad this came with a garden tub. And then my next favorite part of my apartment, are you guys ready for it? Turn the light on. Is my closet. Don't mind the clothes that I have in here. But my closet is huge, y'all. Like, I love how they have these shelves I could either use for shoes, bags, stuff like that. I have shelves up on top. I have a whole lot of closet space. Okay, so now for my balcony. It has the sliding doors. It comes with a mesh thing, which I also love. So if I just want to keep it closed and have some fresh air coming in, I can do that. But this is the balcony. It's real spacious, actually. But then I love how this tree is here because it has some type of like privacy a little bit. And then it comes with a little storage nook right here, which is really cute. Okay, y'all, so it's been a couple days since I recorded the empty apartment tour. Today I'm actually just gonna do a deep clean. Most of my stuff that I ordered online finally came, and I went to Dollar Tree, Walmart, and that's Dollar Tree, Walmart, Family Dollar. I think that's mainly it, to get like cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna insert clips of me cleaning and then unpacking a couple stuff that I bought. And yeah, I have all this stuff. I bought my dog a new cage just so I could put him in there while I clean, so he's not running around and making a mess. But I bought a whole lot of stuff, and I still have like stuff in the cabinets and stuff that I haven't showed you guys. So I think the first place that I'm going to clean is in the bathroom. It's still pretty empty in here. I'm gonna scrub the floors, the walls, the cabinets, the windows. I got stuff for everything. So yeah, that's the plan for today. It's currently Saturday, my first day off, which that's why I really haven't been able to really buckle down and clean and stuff earlier, because I literally been working like full force. So yeah, so today what I did earlier was finish editing my travel vlog video. By the time you guys are watching this video, my travel vlog would already be up. So if you haven't already watched that, go ahead and watch that video. And yeah.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I think.
Okay, so now I'm on the kitchen. I just did so much damn cleaning, I'm tired, but there's bags everywhere, so I'm gonna go by sections. I'm gonna do the cabinets first, just so that when I'm done cleaning them, I could put the stuff in the cabinets.
I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to slow. How I feel about you. You wish away. You know who you are. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I had some leftover wings from Pluckers, so I'm about to bust this down before I start unpacking everything. And then once I unpack everything, I'm going to sweep everywhere and mop the floors. And then I'll be done. Okay, so I got a couple packages, or I got a couple shopping bags that I want to open for you guys just to show you guys what I got. Most of these are from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Amazon, Walmart, stuff like that. I got this pot set for, it was either $15 or $20 or $25. $15 to $25. I don't remember how much it was, but it was the cheapest pot set in Walmart. This shit stinks. This stinks. Okay, that was from Walmart. This is also from Walmart, a glass set. I already used some of the glasses. They're in the sink because I had to wash them. So I'm gonna take the rest of these out. I had ordered scissors. No, I had got a scissors from Dollar Tree, but it's in one of these bags. I don't know. Okay, so I got this set from Amazon. Cute little like off black silver utensils, spoons, butter knives, forks, obviously, and then a couple knives. My second Amazon package, I think, is a dish drainer. A dish drainer. I'll set that up after my mop bucket thing. We'll see if this is overrated or if it's actually worth it. This is the mop thing where you spin it and it goes around. You know what I'm talking about. I'll use this in a couple minutes when I finish unpacking everything. So I'm gonna set this aside. Are not put on already. Dollar Tree is a go-to for cheap household items like bakeware stuff. Like I got this from Dollar Tree. I got these coffee mugs. These plates. I had got some bowls as well, but they're on the sink. This is the bowl I got from Dollar Tree. It also came in black, but because I couldn't resist myself. And I got these. These are like the cutest mugs in the world. Like when I get my coffee machine, Look at this. So cute. And I also got me some wine glasses or Chardonnay glasses. Now, these are the wine glasses.
Maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two me.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked today's video. I will be doing a moving series, so this is just the beginning of a very long moving series. I'm going to be doing an unpacking and like shopping for the apartment and stuff like that, setting up furniture. So definitely stay tuned. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.